Dispute Panda Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products and tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. If you're struggling with inaccurate or outdated information on your credit report and want a straightforward way to improve your credit score, Dispute Panda is a credit repair service designed to simplify the dispute process and help you remove negative items affecting your score. Dispute Panda stands out because it automates the traditionally complex and time-consuming dispute process. Instead of manually writing and submitting letters to the credit bureaus, Dispute Panda generates and sends personalized dispute letters on your behalf based on the specific negative items on your report. You start by connecting your credit report securely and identifying accounts or entries you believe are incorrect, incomplete, or unverifiable. The platform then uses pre-built, professionally crafted templates tailored to different dispute scenarios, which increases your chances of success compared to generic letters. One of the core features of Dispute Panda is its user-friendly dashboard. You can track the progress of each dispute in real time, see which bureaus have responded, and monitor changes to your credit profile as corrections are made. For many users, this level of transparency and organization is a significant improvement over DIY methods or working with a traditional credit repair company that may not provide clear, up-to-date status updates. Another strength of Dispute Panda is cost efficiency. Unlike full-service credit repair firms that charge recurring monthly fees, Dispute Panda typically offers a one-time or tiered pricing structure based on the number of disputes you want to file, which can be more affordable for users focused on specific credit issues. Dispute Panda is best suited for individuals who have legitimate errors or outdated negative items on their credit reports, such as late payments that should be removed, accounts that aren't yours, or outdated collections entries, and who want professional quality dispute letters without astronomical fees. However, there are a few limitations to be aware of. Dispute Panda is not a credit counseling service, so it won't provide broader financial planning or debt management advice. It also can't guarantee results. If the information is accurate, the bureaus are under no obligation to remove it. Additionally, you still need to be engaged in the process, reviewing reports, selecting items to dispute, and responding to questions, which means it's not a completely hands-off solution. Overall, Dispute Panda is a solid option for anyone looking to tackle specific credit report issues efficiently and affordably, with professional dispute support and clear progress tracking. But it's most effective when you have valid disputes to raise and remain active in managing your credit repair journey.